Namaskaram. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. It's indeed a great joy to participate in this Rise of Margari festival, which is being presented under the grace of Shri Muralidhara Swamigal. In this program, I think it's a series of programs featuring many wonderful artists. In this program, I have endeavored to present some beautiful Abhanga, the compositions, the poems of the great Bhakti saint poets, composers in Marathi, Namdev, Tukaram, Janabai, Muktabai, Jnaneshwar, all of these great saints of the 12th to 15th centuries, and their compositions abound in this surrender and unrelenting and unconditional bhakti towards Vithala. Very akin to what great Mahajnanis like Muralidhara Swamigal, whose compositions also speak in the same language of bhakti, Madhura Geetams. Abhangas are also Madhura Geeta, because when you sing them, they uplift you. The sweetness in the words, the sweetness in the music, all of them tend to lift you up from your mundane existence. It was indeed a great joy and a privilege for me to learn this song and sing it in a little flowing Abhanga style, if you notice. And I should thank Global Organization for Divinity, organizers Kripa Bhaskaran, Priya Murli, Sri Sriram Iyer, for creating and curating this festival and this spiritual initiative. Indian classical music is always spiritual. It's unconditionally spiritual. You cannot separate the two. And carrying on this great tradition of India and elevating thousands of people in the process of bhakti is something which I bow down to, and I'm extremely honored to be a part of. Thank you so much, and all of you enjoy and take part in listening to these beautiful concerts. Thank you again. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste.
Rise of Margari.